So I want to talk about these adapters. So I noticed two things. So this is the extra strength version 2. This is the step up ring threadless, mind you, threadless, but I noticed the materials is different. I also noticed the material is different from this one too. Alright, but here's what I noticed. So disclaimer, Maven Filters did send me out all this goodies, right? But this is what I did notice, okay? The version 2 extra strength, I noticed it's super light. The build, the finish, it's off the hook. No, think about it. Like when you buy filters on Amazon, some of these Amazon filters, when you look at it, it's just like incomplete. You can see like the paint job is mediocre. No, the paint job for this version 2 extra strength is remarkably professionally done. The weight, that's important, because I notice when I buy step-up rings from other brands, there's some weight to it, but this feels so light, even with the magnetic. So, but I was trying to compare these two adapters, because I noticed this material is different from this material. It's a different color too, and it's much heavier. This here, the step-up materials that are used for the magnetic step-up ring, which is the threadless. I noticed the materials way different from version 2. I want to know what kind of material is this, because this is look nice and shiny and professionally well done. It is. Guys, I've seen adapters on the market and they just look mediocre, like I said earlier. Just looks kind of like mediocre. But this is what you pay top tier for. A well-built adapter that will not break or fail. And I noticed this material is different, because this has a big strip of a magnetic and maybe aluminum in the back here, or I'm not sure what this material is, but it's just, this is light, this is lighter, this is heavier. That is what I'm complying here. Like, this is super light, this is light, and mind you, you can hear the sound. Look. That is much heavier, this is meter, this is light. So you have 3 adapters, right? Each and every one of these adapters is unique and professionally well done. And with an all-day kit like this, there's no telling what you can do. But with that said, everyone, I'm your host, Keith Alexander, KK Alexander Bailey. You know me as Panda or The Panda Photographer, here in New York City, Osaka, Madison, Wisconsin, Seattle, Portland. People know who I am. So I'm a nobody, but people that do have experience in photography came across my channel or paths with me. And these are excellent tier 1 adapters. So thank you, Maven Filters, for sending this out. Listen, guys, my affiliate link is down in the descriptions below. Click it. You help the channel. You help me pay my bills, or help me try to pay some debt off and some bills. But with that said, everyone, I appreciate these adapters. And I just want to talk about these adapters. No script needed. This is just me talking about it naturally as a natural photographer and a real photographer that I am, representing a very cool brand called Maven Filters. With that said, thanks Maven Filters for sending all this stuff out for free. Appreciate you guys. With that said, eat, sleep, photography, Maven Filter, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video.